Hi dear students, welcome to Social Science class. In today's class, we will be starting the third lesson in Social Science, a visit to the south. In the previous class, we have studied about the great Indian desert, and in the first chapter, we have studied about the great mountains in India, the great Himalayan mountains, isn't it? And we have understood that the Himalayan mountain ranges are located in the northern part of India, and the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert lies in the northwestern part of India. In today's class, we'll be having a very detailed study about the southern part of India. So when you look at a map, the topper part is north and the bottom part is south, and your left side will be west and your right side will be east. And this is how you learn directions when you look at a map. So in the last class, the previous lesson, we have studied about the northern mountains which are located in the northern part of India. The Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert lies in the northwestern part of India, in Rajasthan, isn't it? In today's class, we'll be studying about the southern part of India, this part. And it is very interesting fact that our state Kerala, Telangana, neighboring states called Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, all these states are located where? In the southern part of India. And the southern part of India is also known as Southern Plateau. First, we'll be studying what is a plateau. Plateau is a flat area of land that is elevated or which is raised above the sea level. So what is a plateau? It is a land, as you see here, a land which is raised or elevated from the sea level. It is called what? Plateau. And this area, so all this area, the southern part of India are elevated land from the sea level. That's why the southern part of India is also known as what? The Southern Plateau. Now we'll be studying what are the major features, of this Southern Plateau. What all things are there in the Southern Plateau? It is northwest lies the Aravalli Hills. The northwest side of the Southern Plateau, we can find what? Aravalli Hills. And this is one of the oldest mountain ranges in India. It is called Aravalli Hills, and it is also located where? In the Southern Plateau of India. It is located in the northwest part of India. And the Rajmal Hills also located in Southern Plateau in the northeast direction. And Rajmal Hills are there in the northeast direction. So these are the two major mountain ranges which is located in the Southern Plateau. First one is Aravalli Hills are there in the northwest, and the Rajmal Hills are there in the northeast direction. Then the Eastern Ghats lie along the east coast. So as you see here in the map, this is Eastern Ghats. These are continuous mountain ranges which is parallel to the Arabian Sea. Okay, what are Western Ghats? They are continuous mountain ranges. Okay, in the previous lessons we have studied what are mountain ranges. Right, group of mountains which is located together are called mountain ranges. So Western Ghats are mountain ranges which are located parallel to the Arabian Sea, and this Western Ghats also passes through the states called Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. So in the western side, in the western part of the Southern Plateau, there is Western Ghats, and Eastern Ghats are there in the eastern part of the Southern Plateau. So what are Eastern Ghats? Eastern Ghats are discontinuous mountain ranges which passes through the states called Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and some parts of Karnataka and Telangana. So what are Eastern Ghats? They are discontinuous mountain ranges which are passes through several states called Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and some part of Karnataka and Telangana, and they are located parallel to the Bay of Bengal. And these are the major features of, these are the major attractions of this southern plateau. Now we'll be studying what is the exact or approximate size of this southern plateau. It extends across approximately 1,600 kilometers from the north to the south. So from north to the south, around 1,600 kilometers are there, and 1,400 kilometers from east to west. From east to west, 1,400 kilometers are there. So this is the approximate size of this southern plateau. So you should also underline these points in the textbook. These points are very important. So in today's class, we have studied about the southern plateau. A plateau is elevated or raised land from the sea level, and we have studied about the location of the southern plateau. The southern part of India is also known as the southern plateau, and we have also studied the size or the width and the length of this southern plateau. And here, this is a note for you. Define a plateau. The answer: a plateau is a flat area of land that is elevated above the sea level. The second question: what are the approximate dimensions of the southern plateau? The answer: the southern plateau extends across the 1,600 kilometers from the north to south and 1,400 kilometers from east to west. This is the question answer for you. Please copy these question answers into notebook and study it. Along that, I suggest you to read the textbook minimum 4 to 5 times and get signature from your parent. And also, I have added the jump start answers here in the beginning of the PDF. Please go through it and copy to the textbook. We'll be seeing next class. Thank you.